WP sells services, gateways, and platforms. Every payment method is listed in one place, enabled independently. Stripe, PayPal, and offline payment come with the free plugin. Offline payment is on from a fresh install, so you can test before wiring anything. A test gateway sits alongside for development, clearly marked. Razorpay arrives with Pro, and it matters if you sell into India. It covers UPI, cards, net banking, and wallets in one integration. Each gateway keeps its own credentials, its own test mode, and its own webhook. Every gateway supports sandbox and live modes, and more than one currency. Checkout itself is a separate decision, made under e-commerce integration. Standalone is included and needs nothing else installed. Pro lets you hand checkout to WooCommerce, easy digital downloads, Fluent Cart, or SureCart. Auto-detect picks whichever is active, so the switch is not a rebuild. So switching platform later is a setting, not a rebuild of your catalog. Take payment the way your market does.